Your lower back pain isn't random. It's not from getting old. It's your body's report card for how you train your core. And right now, you're failing. If you sit for 8 hours and your back locks up, that's core. If deadlifts light up your spine instead of your glutes, that's core. If planks make your shoulders burn but your abs feel nothing, that's core. That nagging ache after long days, that's your body screaming. You don't know how to brace. Because here's the truth most people miss. Your core's job isn't to make a six-pack. It's to stop your spine from moving when it shouldn't. Pause. We've been lied to about core training. Crunches, sit-ups, Russian twists, that's all spinal movement. Flexion, rotation. But your spine hates repeated movement under load. That's what herniates discs. Your lower back pain is happening because you trained your core to create motion. But a real-world strong core resists motion. Think about it. When you carry groceries, your core stops you from bending sideways. That's anti-lateral flexion. When you brace for a punch, your core stops you from folding. That's anti-extension. When you catch yourself from slipping, your core stops you from twisting. That's anti-rotation. If you can't do those three things, your lower back becomes the core. And it's not built for that job. So let's fix it. Your core training needs three categories. Miss one, and you'll stay in pain. Asterisk 1. Anti-extension asterisk. This is where most people fail. If your ribs flare on push-ups, if you arch on overhead press, if up rollouts nuke your back, you have no anti-extension strength. Your fix, dead bugs, planks, up wheel rollouts. But only if you keep your ribs down. If your back arches, the rep doesn't count. Asterisk 2. Anti-lateral flexion asterisk. This is side to side. If you hike one hip when you carry a suitcase, if your back twigs getting out of the car, you're weak here. Your fix, suitcase carries, side planks. Walk 30 seconds holding a heavy dumbbell in one hand. No leaning. Your fix, pull-off press, plank shoulder taps. Hold a band at chest height, stand sideways. Don't let it twist you. Here's how you know your core is the problem. Do this 10-second test right now. Lie on your back. Knees up 90 degrees. Arms up. Press your lower back flat into the floor. Now hold that position while you lower your right leg and left arm slowly. If your lower back lifts off the floor, you just found why your back hurts. You cannot brace. That's a dead bug. If you can't do 8 per side without losing position, you have no business doing crunches, leg raises, or up wheels yet. You're just training your back pain. So we rebuild. 4 weeks, 3 days per week. No equipment needed. Asterisk week 1 to 2. Learn to brace asterisk. 1. Dead bug. 3 sets of 6 per side. 3-second lower. If back lifts, stop the set. 2. Side plank. 3 sets of 20 seconds per side. Hips high, ribs stacked. 3. Bird dog. 3 sets of 8 per side. Move slow. No wobble. Your goal isn't reps. It's no movement in your spine. Film yourself from the side. If you see motion, you're doing it wrong. Asterisk week 3 to 4. Add load asterisk. 1. Arcasi plank. 3 sets of 10-second max tension holds. Squeeze glutes so hard your quads shake. 2. Suitcase carry. 3 sets of 30 seconds per side. Walk tall. 3. Wall rollout. Kneel to feet from a wall. Up wheel out to wall. Pull back. 3 times 8. Stop before your ribs flare. If you do this, here's what happens. Week 1 sucks. Week 2 feels weird. Week 4, you stand up after work and realize your back isn't talking to you anymore. When your core does its job, your back stops complaining. Squats feel tighter because you're not leaking force. Deadlifts feel safer because your spine stays neutral. You pick up your kid without bracing for pain. You sit through a flight without that dull ache at L4, L5. That's not magic. That's biomechanics. Your core finally clocked in for work. So your lower back could clock out. So stop blaming your chair. Stop blaming your mattress. Your lower back pain is your core training, or your lack of it. Train anti-extension, anti-lateral flexion, and anti-rotation. Ditch the crunches. Learn to brace. Do it for 4 weeks and tell me your back doesn't feel different. If you want me to drop the PDF with all the progressions and form checks, comment brace below. I'll send it. Subscribe if you want core training that actually keeps you out of pain. See you next video.